Good afternoon, grade 8. How are you doing? Hope you are fine and staying safe at home. We're going to continue solving together this page. I hope that all of you will unmute your mic and to start to annotate together on the screen and to answer. Who are participating today? I have Judy, Mais, and Tala. Okay, girls, you know that option that to annotate and write and draw on the screen. So together, I want all of us to answer number 7. Okay, I have the length of statements during a town council meeting are given. I have numbers here. These numbers are showing length of statement. 6, 25, 12, 14, 2, 13, 38, 22, 21, 14, 3, 8, 5, and 17. Okay, girls? Okay. I want to find the mean, median, mode, range, and range of the data. Then I will use to make a box and whisker plot. First, before I'm going to do to answer question 8, I will answer 7. And before I will answer 7, I have to arrange all the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, Judy Cordy, can you please start to text and write on the screen, but not using the pen, using the text button to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, Judy, can you hear me? Please, girls, unmute yourself so we can interact together. Okay, thank you, thank you. Remaining Mais. Mais, can you please unmute your mic? Yes, thank you, Mais. Okay, Judy Cordy, I'm waiting. Can you please, above the table here, above it here, you see the mouse? Okay, yes. Arrange all the numbers from least to greatest. What is the least number? I think the least number is 5, no, 3. No, I have 2 also. So the least number is 2. And the greatest number is 38.
38.
Arrange them. Judy? Yeah. Are you answering or I will choose another girl? Okay, Tala, please arrange them, Tala. Yes, okay, excellent. Okay. Okay, 2. Let me, 2, wait, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 12, 13. Yes, continue, Judy. Yes, then 14, 14, and 14, and 17, and 21, 22, 25. Yes, excellent, Judy. Okay. Okay, so here I have the numbers arranged from least to greatest, from 2 to 38. Now, I want to find the mean. How I can get the mean? Huh? how I can get it.
Can I do it?
Who will tell me? Interact, girls. Come on, I want to hear your voice. Please, I want interaction. I want to hear your voice. Tell me how I can get the mean.
Can I do it?
Can I do it?
Tala, can you please tell me?
Yes, we're gonna add all the numbers together.
Mais, can you please tell me?
Yes, teacher. We're going to find the sum of all the numbers.
If you are writing, tell me that you are typing so I will not wait.
No, teacher, we'll find the sum of all the numbers.
Okay, welcome, Aya. Okay.
So it will be 200.
Okay. To calculate the mean, you have to add all the numbers, and divide by the number of values, which means I will add 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 8 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 14 and 17 and 21 and 22 and 25 and 38. I will add all the numbers. I will get their sum and I will divide by the number of values that I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 values. So I am going to add all the numbers and divide by 14 because I have 14 values. So let's add the numbers together. I have 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus
175 over
12
14.
plus 13 plus 14 plus 14 plus 17 plus 21 plus 22 plus 25 plus 38 divided by 14, it is equal to 14.8. 14.28. So my answer is equal to 14.28. So when I added all the numbers together and I divided by the number of values that I have in this set of numbers, I got 14.28. So this is the mean. Okay, what about the median? What about the median? I will cross one number from the first and one number from the back. One from here and one from here. 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 Left two numbers. Shall I cross the two numbers? No, I will not cross the two numbers. I will add the two numbers and divide by 2. I will add the two numbers and I will divide by 2. 13 plus 22 divide by 2, which is equal to 17.5. Again, girls, I want to make sure that I did it correct. I will cancel one from here, one from here, and one from here. One from here and one from here. One from here and one from here. one from here, and one from here, one from here, and one from here. Left 13 and 14. Left 13 and 14. So 13 plus 14 is equal 27 divided by 2 is equal to 13.5. Girls, please, I want interaction because this week you're going to interact with me and you're going to answer by yourself. Mode, who will answer the mode, please? Which number is repeated a lot? Who will answer this question? I will not answer it. I will not answer it. I will wait for one of you to answer this one.
Can I answer?
Mice, please tell me.
It's
What is the mode,
14.
mice?
14.
What is the mode, mice?
14.
Mice
Yes, teacher.
typed 14. Yes, 14 because 14 is repeated a lot. Thank you, mice. Okay, Tala, what is the range, Tala? Range is the difference between the greatest number and the least number. So what is the range? Tala?
238.
Tala?
Yes, teacher, I answered. 238.
Tala, please tell me what is the difference between the greatest number and the least number?
$36.
Okay, Aya, please tell me the range. Girls, you are online and I am asking you, so please answer. Okay, mice, please answer the range.
The range is 38 minus 2, the greater number minus the least, and it's 36.
Girls, I cannot hear any one of you. I don't know, is there a problem in the internet? Are you listening to me? Can you listen to me? Because I can't listen to any one of you. Are you talking? Because I cannot listen to any one of you. No, I can't listen to her. Talk again, Tala, please.
Now you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. You said, Tala, it is 36? I didn't hear any one of you from the beginning of the lesson. Top girls, I will disconnect and connect again because I have a problem in connection in the internet. Okay, I will connect and come back again. Hey girls, I'm back. Can you please talk so I can know that the mic is working good?
Okay,
Tala, can
I'm
you talk
here.
please, Tala?
Yes.
Tala, I can't hear you.
Yes, teacher.
No, I can hear you. Okay. Okay, so can you please open page 704 to refresh our minds and remember together the box and whisker plot. In page, I will open it here. Okay. You remember this, girls? The whisker and the box and whisker plot. The box and whisker plot can be used to show how the values in a data set are distributed. You need 5 values to make a box and a whisker plot. The minimum or least value, the first quartile, median, and the third quartile, and maximum or greatest value. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Of course, I'm going to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, and I have the first quartile and the third quartile, and the second quartile is the median for the whole set. The first quartile and the third quartile and the second quartile is the median for the whole set. The first quartile is the median of the lower half of the data set. The second quartile is the median of the data set, all the data sets. And the third quartile is the median of the upper half of the data set, this one. The interquartile range, IQR, the interquartile range of a data set is the difference between the third and the first quartile. The IQR, I will get the median of the first quartile and the median of the third quartile. The difference between the two medians is called IQR, the interquartile range. IQR. Okay? Then what else is needed? The IQR is, it represents the range of the middle half. Okay. So I will arrange the numbers from least to greatest, and I will divide them into 2 parts, and in the middle one is the median. Okay, then I will get the first quartile and the third quartile and the median, and the range is the difference between the greatest and the least, and the IQR. Okay, if I have like this one, I will just make this one fast, then I will apply it on the one that we had. I have here numbers. Step 1, order the numbers from least to greatest. So we arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Identify the 5 needed values. What are the 5 needed values? The minimum and the maximum, the least number and the greatest number. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Okay, girls? Then draw a numbered line, plot a point above each of the 5 needed values, draw a box through the first and the third quartiles, and a vertical line through the median. Okay. Okay, let's try to do the one in the other page. So go back to page 756. Okay, girls. Aya. Aya is here or she's not here? She's here, Aya.
Yes, teacher.
Can you arrange the numbers, Aya, from least to greatest or no?
Sure. The population of or length of
Yes, number 7.
okay, from the least to greatest.
Yes.
Okay. Two, 2, 3,
No, can you?
5.
Okay, I will write them. Okay, tell me.
I
Huh?
will write them.
2, huh? You will
3.
or I will?
I will tell you when you will write.
I can't hear you, Aya, well.
I will tell you the numbers.
Okay, 2, 3, huh?
5,
Huh?
6,
Huh?
8,
Yes.
12, 12,
Yes.
14.
We have
No,
13.
sorry, 13.
Yes.
13,
Yes.
and then 14. 14.
Yes.
And then 17,
Yes.
and then 21,
Yes.
22,
Yes.
25,
Huh?
and 38.
And 30. Let's check that they are 14 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Okay, I'm going to draw this one. Okay. The minimum is 2, the maximum is 38. Okay. I want to, they are 14 numbers, so let's make the median. Okay, so I will take those numbers here in a set, and I will take those in another set. So those are Q1, quartile 1, and those are quartile 3, and quartile 2 is 13 and 14. Okay, quartile 1 is 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 8 and 12. Quartile 3, 14, 17, 21, 22, 25, and 20, and 38. Okay, I want first to calculate Q1. Q1, the median of the first set. Okay, can you get the median of the first set? Let me first erase this. Okay. What is Q1? What is the median of the first set? Can you know how to get it? Any one of you, can you know how to get it? Girls, Mais, Tala, Aya, I have just read it now. Can you know how to get it? Like how to get a median of any set of numbers. Can you know how to get it? Mais, Tala, Aya, Judy, huh?
Teacher, are we going to add 13 and 14?
To do what?
Add 13 and 14.
No,
No?
no.
Okay.
To add, no, I will not add. What I'm going to do is, so what is the median here? 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Okay, girls? Q2, 13 and 14. 13 plus 14 is equal to 27. Divided by 2 is equal to 13.5. So Q2 is equal to 13.5. And Q, I didn't write 2 here. So Q3 is equal to, I will add, no, I will not add, I will cross here.
21 and 22.
21, yes, 21 plus 22 divide by 2, which is equal to 21.5. 21.5. Okay, girls, 21.5. So now I got the 5 points. I got Q1, I got Q2, I got Q3. I got the minimum, which is 2, the maximum, which is 38. How I will plot them? I will tell you. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, on the number line that I have here, okay, I know it's a little bit hard to draw it on the screen, but I will try. I will draw another line. I will plot on it the 5 points. I will plot the 2, which is the minimum. I will plot 38, which is the maximum. I will plot Q1, which is 5.5, which is a little bit here. 13.5 is here. And 21.5, which is here. The first point here is 2. This one is 2. Okay, girls, the minimum. Then this one is 5.5, which is Q1. Okay, girls, then the third point here is 13.5, which is Q2. I know it is a little bit hard to do it on the screen, but we're going to do our best. 21.5, which is Q3, and then here comes the last one, which is the maximum, which is 38. Okay, I'm going to draw, no, I want to make it here. I'm going to draw a box between the Q1 and Q2 and Q3. You remember it? Like this. And here there is a line joining between Q3 and the maximum, and a line joining between Q1 and the minimum. And here should be another line that is joining like this, which shows the, let me draw it like this, the median of the whole set. That's it. Complicated a little bit or easy? I think stem and leaf is better, right? Easier. Okay, great that you find it easy, Judy. Okay. Okay, girls. Thank you so much for listening, and see you tomorrow. By the way, I prefer that I want to bring some additional exercises for algebra, for the old algebra, like factoring and square roots and so on. What do you think? Better or continue graphing and so on? What do you think? Continue graphing and probability, or returning back to factoring and square root? No factors? Why, Tala? You're going to use it a lot in grade 9. A lot. Okay, so I will continue tomorrow in graphing and probability, and maybe on Wednesday or on Thursday I will use it. One day only, okay? Oh, you need factors. Ah, okay. Okay, Tala, as you like. Thank you, girls, so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.